Hello, everyone. Ever wondered how some people retire decades earlier than others? The secret is compounding. In this video, I'm breaking down the best money hacks that can help you retire early and live life on your terms. Stick around to learn how to make your money work for you and achieve financial freedom faster than you thought possible. Let's dive in. The power of compounding. Compounding occurs when your earnings generate additional earnings over time. This principle applies to investments, savings, and even passive income streams. The earlier you start, the greater the impact, making it a key factor in early retirement. Key principles of compounding. 1. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. 2. Reinvest earnings. Always reinvest dividends, interest, or profits to accelerate growth. 3. Consistency is key. Regular contributions yield better results than sporadic lump sums. 4. Minimize withdrawals. The more you withdraw, the less power compounding has. 5. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts. Maximize growth by using IRAs, 401ks, and other tax-free or tax-deferred accounts. Money hacks to maximize compounding. 1. Start investing as early as possible. One of the most effective ways to build wealth is to start investing early. The longer your money is invested, the more it benefits from compounding. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow into a substantial sum over time. Example: investing $500 per month from age 20 to 40 at an 8% return will result in over $247,000. If left to compound without additional contributions, it could grow to over $1 million by retirement age. 2. Automate your investments. Setting up automated contributions ensures consistency and eliminates the temptation to spend money instead of investing it. Tools to use: robo-advisors, automated investment platforms, or direct deposits into retirement accounts. Best practice: set up a percentage of your paycheck to go directly into investments. 3. Take advantage of employer matching. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to get the full match. This is essentially free money that grows exponentially over time. Example: if your employer matches 100% of contributions up to 5% of your salary, you're doubling your investment instantly. 4. Focus on low-cost index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs offer low fees and broad market exposure, making them excellent choices for long-term compounding growth. Recommended funds: S&P 500 index funds, e.g. VOO, SPI, or VTI. Why it works. Historically, the stock market has returned an average of 7 to 10% annually. 5. Reinvest dividends. Dividend-paying stocks, or ETFs, provide an opportunity to reinvest earnings, allowing for accelerated compounding growth. Dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, automatically reinvest dividends to buy more shares. Example: a $10,000 investment in a dividend stock yielding 4% with reinvestment can significantly outpace one without reinvestment. 6. Max out tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, and HSA allow your money to grow without the drag of taxes. Traditional versus Roth accounts. Choose based on whether you want tax benefits now or in retirement. Health savings accounts, HSA. Triple tax benefits make these powerful long-term investment vehicles. 7. Create passive income streams. Passive income sources such as real estate, royalties, or online businesses generate income that can be reinvested to compound even further. Real estate. Rental income can be reinvested into more properties or stocks. Online businesses. Websites, YouTube channels, or digital products can generate ongoing income. 8. Reduce debt and increase savings rate. High-interest debt can eat away at your potential for compounding. Pay off bad debt quickly and redirect those payments into investments. Strategies: use the debt snowball or avalanche method. Increase savings rate. Aim to save at least 50% of your income if pursuing early retirement. 9. Use the FIRE. Financial independence, retire early. Strategy: the FIRE movement emphasizes high savings rates, frugal living, and smart investing. Lean FIRE: living on minimal expenses and retiring with a lower savings goal. Fat FIRE: accumulating a large portfolio to maintain a comfortable lifestyle. 10. Optimize side hustles and business ventures. A side hustle or business can generate extra income that accelerates your investment potential. Options: freelancing, YouTube automation, e-commerce, or real estate investing. Reinvest earnings. Instead of spending side hustle income, invest it for compounding growth. 11. Invest in yourself. Improving your skills, education, and network can lead to higher-paying opportunities that increase your ability to invest and compound wealth. Ways to invest in yourself: online courses, certifications, networking, and mentorship. 12. Plan for withdrawal strategies. Once you achieve financial independence, you'll need a withdrawal strategy that sustains your lifestyle without depleting your funds too quickly. The 4% rule. Withdraw 4% of your portfolio annually for sustainable retirement. Dividend income. Live off investment-generated dividends instead of selling assets. Real estate cash flow. Rental income can cover expenses indefinitely. Early retirement isn't just for the ultra-wealthy. It's achievable through smart financial habits and the power of compounding. By starting early, investing consistently, reducing unnecessary expenses, and leveraging passive income, you can fast-track your journey to financial independence. The key is to stay disciplined, reinvest earnings, and continuously seek ways to grow your wealth. Whether you aim to retire in your 30s, 40s, or 50s, these money hacks will set you on the right path. And that's a wrap! Early retirement isn't just a dream, it's a reality if you apply these compounding money hacks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building tips, and drop a comment on which strategy you're going to use first. Until next time, keep investing, keep growing, and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching.